Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Bill, back with another video, man. This video we got, yeah, y'all, we eating good today, y'all. So today we got cauliflower buffalo wings. Now, this is just cauliflower, fried cauliflower, air fried cauliflower with buffalo sauce over it. Then we have eggs. I already took a bite into one, and y'all can see that yolk coming out. That's how you know it's cooked done, man. I don't even want to do too much talking, man. Let's get right into the video. Well, I'm going for one of them eggs first. Mm. Yep. That's really good. I want to see if I can get some, like, an egg drizzle. Get some egg on there. Yeah. Yeah, I'm telling you, you can still eat good and lose weight. For all you wondering the calorie count of this meal, 1,050 calories, 6 eggs, and then for these cauliflower wings, they're 630 calories for it all. I cooked this one a little longer, but it's all good. Still a good egg. There you go. No. At least it fell on my table. It's all good. That's good. It's landing on my napkin though, so I'm in. Where's that one? Alright. I'm going for the egg. Amazing. Last egg. Man, that was an amazing meal, man. Took me like 30 minutes to cook it. Took me like 5 minutes to devour it. Amazing meal, y'all. You can still eat good and lose weight. Don't let anyone tell you you can't. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, man, and I'll see you guys in the next one.